Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be something a little different. Today we're going to go over the few things that I bought from Harbor Freight and why I bought them. The reason we're going to start going over some tools is because I live a very busy life right now and I can't always make car content weekly, and I want to be able to put content out weekly for you guys. So we're going to also pivot. So we're not only going to build the Subaru and talk about the Eclipse, but we're also going to dive into tools, toolboxes, what I use to work on these cars. So today's video, like I said, is going to be what I bought from Harbor Freight. So let's get into this. The first thing I got is the big elephant in the room, is the new US General Series 3 toolbox. This is the 56-inch. So right now I just went with the base toolbox. I will eventually get the top chest and then also the two cabinets on both sides. Right now I just wanted to get the bottom one because I'm not sure if I'm going to do the hutch or the top chest. Right now I'm leaning towards the top chest, but we'll figure it out. I outgrew my original toolbox, which is kind of funny to me, is my original toolbox is actually 74 inches. This one's 56 inches, but the layout on this toolbox versus my other toolbox is completely different, and I can put so many more tools in here than I could in my last one. So I'm in the process right now of moving everything out of my old toolbox into my new toolbox. Once I get everything in the new box and the box is ready to set up, I'm going to do a toolbox tour with you guys so you guys can see everything that I use, and we'll go from there. Next thing I bought was this 35-piece impact drill bit, or impact driver bit set from Bauer. I got that again, Harbor Freight. This is a brand new set. You still can't even buy it online yet. I looked it up today. It's in store only. And they said it should be available at every store and online by the end of October. I was just lucky enough to have this set already in my local Harbor Freight, and it might be because of the fact that my new Harbor Freight is only like 3 months old, just open, so a lot of the new products are in stock there. So I was fortunate enough to pick that up. The next thing I bought was this 3-inch impact rated bit holder. I got this because I go through driver bits quite often, and I always lose the holder for them. So these only being $8, if I lose these, I can keep replacing them. $8 isn't too bad. Impact rated, so it should be able to take a lot of abuse and wear and tear. So we'll see how that goes. I've never used anything from the Hercules brand, so we'll try it out. If you have, leave me a comment below. How good is the Hercules brand? Lastly, I got was the US General Power and Air Tool Drawer Organizer. For those that don't know, the organizer is made to fit perfectly in the big drawer of any of the Series 3 or Series 2 toolboxes. So what that's used for is you open up the drawer here, and as you can see, it's completely empty. You go ahead and you put the drawer organizer in there, and it's almost like a holster for all your power tools. I'm gonna get this thing out of the box and put in there so I can show you exactly what it looks like, but it should make organization a breeze. All right, so we went ahead and we got that put together. It was a little bit of a pain in the ass, but here's what it looks like in the drawer now. I'll kind of show you here. I got all 5 of my drills. So I got my 2 1/2-inch, the Bauer and the Ryobi, the 3/8 inch Ryobi, my impact driver, and then my normal drill. I was also able to fit in there my cordless ratchet and then just my power screwdriver, and I think it's a Black & Decker. Yep, it's a VPX. I absolutely love these. I also have the flashlight, a few batteries, and their Sawzall. This was a really great home improvement DIY line from Black & Decker. I really wish it would have actually came through and didn't fail. All right, guys, the last thing I got from Harbor Freight was something free. They had a free 5-gallon bucket with any $30 purchase. So I spent like $50, so I got the free bucket too. I love Harbor Freight. I'm so glad there's one down the street from me now so that I don't have to drive the 30 minutes, 45 minutes to get to one that I had been doing. So now it's only a 10-minute drive and it's perfect. I'm going to take you outside to my Subaru because I want to show you some stuff that happened there. Really, really painful, but my car got hit in Pittsburgh. For those that don't know, I live in Ohio. I ended up having to go to Pittsburgh for work. And while I was there this week, somebody hit my car in the parking garage. And unfortunately, the parking garage told me I was shit out of luck, that they're not responsible for any of it. So let me go ahead and get us outside to the Subaru and show you what happened there. So Here's the Subaru in all of its pain and glory. As you can see over here on the driver's side, I don't know what it was, but something took out the carbon fiber fog light cover, took out the bumper, even on the bottom here, wrecked all that up. But it gets worse because it's not just the outside, not just the bumper. When I come up here, we have a bunch of, almost looks like rock chips. Nice dent there now. Some more, and then boom. Look at this. Completely down to the bare metal. Scuffed it all the way up. This one actually has a nice dent in it. Some more up here. Took out the rubber as well. So I don't know sure what happened because this is completely fine itself. It's just the A-pillar, the fender, and the bumper. So I'm not quite sure what they did to it. I think it might just be like a jacked up truck or something that just drove underneath or over top my car. But it was a hit and run. I was told by the parking garage that nothing they can do about it. They're not responsible for damage or theft. So, but in the coming videos, we'll get this fixed, get the replacement here, get the bottom fixed. We'll also come up here and get the A-pillar fixed as well. And I'll get all that on camera so you guys can see it. I was quite bummed because I actually joined the Flat Four Society out of Ohio, and the first meet is this weekend, and now I get to go with a fucked up car because some asshole in Pittsburgh wanted to hit my car and then be a douchebag and drive away from it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Now I'm gonna get back to taking care of my chickens over here. I'm sure, there they go. They're all hiding back in that corner so you can't see them. But we're gonna go ahead and take care of those chickens. I really hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments what type of stuff you get from Harbor Freight. It's gonna be a weekly, maybe bi-weekly thing for me to go in there and just grab some stuff. I need to fill that toolbox up that I just got. So give me that like, give me that thumbs up. I would love a subscribe as well. It really helps grow the channel, really helps me know that I'm doing something right that people like. If not, put it in the comments, critique me. I love it. I have a couple more shops that I have to do from Home Depot, so I'll get that on camera too. So let me know, do you like tool type of content? Do you just want me to stick with automotive? I just want to know from you guys because I love making this for the community that we're building here. But until then, I'll see you on the next one.